Okay, I'm going to show you my version of beef stroganoff. I get this stuff at H-E-B. I like it better. Alright, so here's the seasoning, the noodles, milk, whole milk, always. I don't use water, I use a beef stock or chicken stock or vegetable stock to replace it. I also add about a couple more noodles along with it. So I add more liquid. I cooked this up previously. This is bell peppers, different types, onions, and mushrooms, and I'll add probably a cup of this into it. I love this seasoning. This is the seasoning I use on almost everything. And this is a pound of hamburger meat. So I will, once I get through, I will take a video of the finished product. So I just cook it up in order, cook the meat, then I put in the vegetables, put in the liquids and the seasoning, and I come back with the noodles and I'll let it simmer for about 20 minutes once I see it boil. So I make this all the time. This is wonderful. Just kind of document it. Thank you.